been so long since I played Dragonball Fighterz, bro. I'm at Android 17. I can't afford online, so
you ain't nothing but a broke boy.
Let me make that super strong. Unless I regret it, but I won't regret it, bro. Trust me, I haven't played this game in months, but like, I still understand it. I played these games before. I actually played these games. As you can see, I have every character because I'm just like him like that. Who am I gonna use? We're gonna use these two
have no
frogs and like then Vegeta, right? Yeah. Wow.
I don't want select stay. West City.
Yeah, West City, bro. Destroyed West City.
Get ready for a Dragonball.
I think you all know what this team's about. If you don't play these games before, you won't understand.
Is this nigga serious?
You're not no G.
Let's hurry up and get this started.
Wait, why don't I just make it Vegeta first? I'm not watching yours. Oh no. Oh, I can't get cooked by a bot, please. Please, don't make me get cooked by a bot. No, I can't get cooked. I can't get cooked. Trust me, bro, I haven't played this game so long. Please. What is that? Oh no. Please. But I didn't put the sparking. Oh no. Oh, what am I aiming at? Oh no, I gotta lock in.
You're gonna quit making yourself feel better by spouting all this bullshit.
What's wrong? I literally vanished. Oops. He's sparking now. Oh hell no. Oh. I have a very deep skill issue right now. Why did I put level 100, bro? Okay, that's one done already. This is how PvP is like. Bro. Why can't I afford PvP like that, bro? Oh no. Oh. I might have to put that CPU down. What the fuck's going on? Oh crap. What is going on, bro? How is he still switching? Oh no. Okay. I'm an OG. Oh. Okay. It might not matter. Hey, chill, bro. Chill. It's not that serious. Okay.
There's a lot out there that I want to protect.
Yeah, I see, bro. I see. So, like, he wasn't playing around. I straight up just got cooked there. But you'll find out. You'll find out soon. You shouldn't cook me.
Hello, monkeys.
Nothing compared to me.
Yeah, it's a pretty good team.
Take really good care of you.
Yeah. Okay.
Select your fighter.
Please don't be overpowered. Just don't be overpowered.
You're up against me now.
Bully.
Monster, you say?
No, I am a demon.
Broly, bro. Okay, the stage.
Cell Games
Yeah,
Arena.
Cell Game. Cell Games doesn't have anything to do with this team.
Time to begin the match.
I made you a promise, remember? I said I'd make you wish for death.
If you know what's
good for you, you'll give up now.
I'm about to beat this.
Ready?
Die!
See, with Frieza, you just like kind of have to spam a lot. Oh, okay. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Oh no. It's not working with technique. The Frieza, casual Frieza player. Okay. You see, like, Frieza used to be my main back then, bro. Back in the day, back in my day. Oh no. Oh, I gotta switch out, bro. Please. You know this, bro. Please. Gang, please. You know this. You know I'm not that good anymore. What is this? When did this ever happen, bro? I don't remember any of those mechanics. Okay. I understand it now, you see? Oh no. Oh. Is this? Oh, I'm gonna crash out. I'm actually gonna crash out. Gang. No way, bro. Oh no. Oh hell no. I'm not letting Frieza die this quick.
I didn't feel that work.
Bro, no. Don't do this. There's no point in doing all this, bro. There's no point. Please.
I didn't feel that work.
Gang! Nah, bro. I'm getting cooked by Broly, bro. No, gang. No, you don't. None of y'all saw that, bro. None of y'all saw that.
Exactly do you think your
Nobody saw that.
Your power?
Watch this level 100 CPU get cooked next round, bro. Yeah.
Oh, I'm all small now.
Super Baby 2.
So much more than the tuppers who come.
All right. I think it's time I
That's
show you
GTT.
some of my moves.
Select your fighter. Gohan, Vegeta,
thing that was
Cooler.
None can be my equal.
Select the stage.
Why didn't you?
Fighter.
I didn't even pick my shit, bro.
Bruh.
Super
It
Baby
wouldn't be
2.
much fun to kill you just yet.
I
Gogeta.
am neither Goku nor Vegeta. I'm the guy who's going to stop you.
Select your fighter. Android 21. Select the stage. Cell
Okay.
Games Arena.
Again. I got cooked on this stage, so hopefully this stage is a little bit better, bro.
Anybody's guess.
Broly was cooking my ass, bro. But Gogeta can carry, right? Like, Not even close.
My body might be smaller now, but I'm still the same Goku.
Time to finish the job you hired me to do.
All or nothing.
Oh, I knew you were gonna do that, bro. That's the casual hit player just. Bro. All you gotta do. Yo, bro, he is so no life, bro. Not even no life. He's just like, not even. He's just blunt, bro. If you use hit, you're bad at the game. You're actually just bad at the game if you use hit. What am I doing, bro? I'm low-key cooking, bro. I gotta play like the CPUs. I gotta play like the Android. What? Oh no. He found out my tactics. Why is he grabbing me?
Don't think so.
What the hell am I doing? Oh, I'm into that.
yo, what the
I mean, what? What? What you want to say?
I'm sorry.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, please, mommy. I mean, Android 21, please stop. Stop, please.
Hell no, man. Get your ass on, boy.
What am I doing? What the hell? Oh no. I have to stop her. Okay, stopped her.
No more playing around.
I gotta stop. TM.
Keep up, don't you?
Strong DC fighter. No, please!
Stood on. You're pretty good. Took up back.
Oh.
What a way to go.
I was so close, bro.
Just give up. You can't win.
I'm not gonna stop till I win, bro. I'm not gonna stop.
Just you wait. I'll be stronger the next time we fight.
Okay, bro. If you can't beat them, you gotta join them. You know what I mean?
Select your fighter.
Yeah, bro.
Think you can?
That's a pretty good team.
No holding back then.
Oh, I'm definitely losing that one. Nice. Ooh. That.
Select your fighter. Android Vegeta. Drop.
Are you kidding me, bro? Android 21 again, bro?
Select stage.
I mean...
Rocky Field.
Okay, bro.
A fierce showdown is about to begin.
Oh no,
Ready?
I skipped it.
Fight it out.
I'm not going to lose.
What are these noises, bro? Oh my... Gang! Bro! I barely got any hits in, bro. Why? You don't need to do all that, Vegeta. No! Okay, Yamcha and Krillin should be able to carry me, bro. Trust. What are these things? What did I miss when I left the game, bro? Some of these mechanics I've never seen before in my entirety of playing this game. Crackhead 21, bro. Why does this crackhead do so much damage, bro? Yo, hear me out. What the hell was that? What type of new mechanic is that, bro? Oh no. The last survivor, bro.
Oh. Seriously? Like that? I'm not through with you yet. I've been saving this. Time to end this.
Oh, Trunks. Trunks, you traitor, bro.
Like that?
Oh my god, bro. Please, 21, please, just let me win. Thank you. Thank you, 21. Brilliant, bro.
Android, aren't you? You know 18.
Oh, this is dubbing, bro. This is dubbing.
Really improved, Tien. Diligent training pays off.
Yeah, I think that's enough, bro. I got whooped too hard today, bro.